columns. So yung column natin, pag na-apply ng load, ito ay nagkakaroon ng critical moment or nagbabuckle yung ating column. So the critical load of our column is equivalent to I squared EI over the square of the effective length. That's the critical load plus the F. E, we all know that is the modulus of elasticity. I is the moment of inertia. And L sub E is the effective length of our column. So yung ating critical load, ito yung tinatawag din natin na buckling load. Ang E naman, the modulus of elasticity, it is the property of the material for the column. I is the moment of inertia. Ito ay nakadepende kapag kung ano man yung cross-section ng ating column. So normally, circle ang cross-section ng ating column. So the moment of inertia of a circle is pi over 64 d to the 4. And the effective length. So ano yung sabihin ng effective length? So ito lang yung length na consider mo sa ating critical loading. So ano yung effective length na yun? So for example, mag-apply tayo ng load at ang ating end ay naka-pin. So for pin ends, ang ating effective length ay equal lang din sa length ng ating column. Or the length is equal to effective length. Pag naman ang ating column has a fixed end, so ito yun, a fixed sa isang side and free naman sa other side, so ating effective length ay equal sa twice na kapag naman ang dalawang end ng ating column ay naka-fix, so our effective length is 1/2 of the length of the column. While if our column has pin end on one side and fixed end on the other side, our effective length is equivalent to 0.7 of the length of the column. Tatandaan mo lang yung ating mga ends. So pag pin ends, equal ang length sa effective length. Kapag fixed and free end, so twice ng length ng column is our effective length. Kapag parang fixed, 1/2 ng length ang ating effective length. Kapag naman isang fixed at isang fixed, so the effective length is 0.7 ng length ng column. So, okay, pamilya. So, meron tayong tinatawag na slenderness ratio. It is the ratio of the effective length and the radius of gyration. So, effective length, that is natin to. Ano naman yung radius of gyration? K. So, ito ang square root of the ratio ng moment of inertia and the area of the cross section. So, that is slenderness ratio, that is dimensionless o walang unit. Let's try this one. A steel piston rod in hydraulic cylinder is 1 inch in diameter and 2 feet in length. Assume E, the modulus of elasticity, equal to 30 times 10 raised to 6 psi. Using the Euler's equation, find the slenderness ratio and the maximum load that the rod can take in compression. Assume both ends of the rods are hinge or pin. So our slenderness ratio is the effective head over the range of gyration. At ang range of gyration ay square root of I over A. So, ilagay natin ang given. So, our effective length is 2 feet of length. Bakit? Kasi kapag ang dalawang ends lang of our column ay naka-hinge, ang ating effective length ay equal sa length. So, ito yung length natin, 2 feet, yun din ang effective length. So, that is in feet. And then divided by square root of I. Ano ang I natin? Is the moment of inertia, it will be pi over 64 d to the 4. So as our diameter, this is 1 inch. Divide by area ng circle, that is pi over 4 diameter squared. So ito ay h square ratio, ito ay inch. At sabi ko nga, ang ating slenderness ratio dapat walang unit. So, kailangan makancel ang numerator and the denominator unit. So, yung ating numerator, gawin natin. So, gawin natin 1 foot, there are 12 inches. What is the slenderness ratio? It is equivalent to 96. So that is our slenderness ratio. So yan yung una natin tanong. Meron tayong pangalawang tanong, the maximum load, or that is our critical load in the column. Kasi formula of pi squared EI over effective length squared. So yun natin. So pi squared times our modulus, which is 30 million PSI, times our moment of inertia, that is pi over 64 times d to the 4. So this will be 1 inch. So pag nilis ko sa 4, I will reduce sa 4 ang dividend. Divide by effective length. So, natin ang effective length, pili lang length. So, 2 feet, pag ginawa ko inch, magbibigat lang yan. So, this will be inches. So, ito yung square, ito ay square. Okay, cancel ang 2 inch. At cancel pa ito. So, makikita ang unit ng force ay pounds. So, what is our critical load? This is 25,232.97 pounds.